Okay. Wait. I think it's not recording. Smile. You're eating? Yep. What else do you have in your mouth? Or are you used to having in your mouth, Marla?
My teeth and my gums and my tongue.
Is that it?
Yes.
You sure? I'm not a super hoe. Your mom.
No.
Did you just roll over to me? Yeah, you did. Oh, check this out, guys. Right, check it.
She's so pretty. I like
But Selena Gomez, yeah. Look at pineapple, right? Do you know what they say about pineapples? Okay. I was reading on the radio a while back, right? And they said that in pineapples. Oh, that is okay. Swingers, check it. Swingers at the grocery store to pick up other swingers, like their code. They put upside down pineapples in their shopping cart, and other swingers will see it as a sign to be like, you know, hey, I'm open to play, you know. And but I'm a lady, so I don't care about that crap. Well, I gotta laugh.